Hey, I'm Mike. I'm a boilermaker by trade and currently living on a sailboat, also doing a mobile welding gig. So today I'm doing a quick test run on a forge burner that I made, just using various propane bits and pieces. I'm just using my wood stove here to contain the heat a bit. It is a very makeshift burner. Kind of looks like it needs more oxygen, actually. And the material's still a little bit cold, but we might be able to do something with this. Made up a basic paint can forge. So we're doing the first test heat with just the turbo torch, simply because I don't want to get too hot too quick. That might cause damage and cracking to the refractory cement. Still got my piece of stainless in here, just so I can have some sort of basis of where the heat is. Looks like it's heating up okay actually for just the little torch, but I'll just maintain this heat for now, and then we might try the bigger burner shortly here. So this is forge test number 2 or 3-ish. Going back to the first burner I had, just my makeshift one. Same one I used in the wooden stove here, which is now, I'm thinking it's going to be better in this little forge because it's smaller space. And yeah. First material forming test. So I've got 3/16 inch stainless steel. Looks like we're just getting up to decent forging temperature on this material. Okay, we're not quite hot enough. Could probably get a little bit hotter, but gonna try hitting it anyway. Yeah. Yeah, so that definitely works better. Obviously using a little hatchet hammered into a log does not make a great anvil, but it did form pretty easily there, so yeah. Nice.